All right, guys. Okay, here we are. We got this last ingredient, guys. Last ingredient. You know it. Cheddar cheese. Alrighty, folks. Let's get this potato soup going here. Got an onion here. Okay. Alright. Now the onions are done. I want to do is just do a rough chop here on the broccoli. Alright, so now we have the broccoli all chopped up. Grab here and grab our hamburger. Today I have the ground beef. It's a 73-27 mix. And use my vacuum sealer. Guys, I tell you, man. Get yourself that food Saver vacuum sealer. It's Christmas time. It's right around the corner. And it's a great gift for anyone who's a barbecue guy or anyone out there who likes to preserve their own meats, anything like that. I'm going to leave a link for it in the description below. And also on my Amazon. You guys can check me out there. But that vacuum sealer, I mean, you see, 8/27, or excuse me, 8/17/24. And where we at? We're in November, and it still looks like it was done yesterday. Get this started here. Turn our stove on. On about medium high. Take some oil here, and I'm going to put about, I don't know, about a tablespoon of oil. We don't need much. And to that, we'll add that ground beef, that 73-27. That 73-27 has got, that means it's 27% fat, so there's going to be a little extra fat in there. But we want that. We want that little bit of extra fat because we also want to do up the onions and the broccoli. Alright, break this up like that. When we come back, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. We want to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. It's the time I like to put my onions in there. I like to get my onions mixed in there. That way there, the onions can start cooking down because they take a little bit longer to cook down. I'm using my crock pot today. The family will enjoy, and it's really easy to make, and it really only takes one pot. Alright guys, so now we've got the hamburger cooked and the onions done. What we'll do now is we want to drain some of that fatty juice out of there, and the best way to do that is pull the hamburger to the side, just like that. And get yourself a nice little pool of that fat there. Take a pair of tongs and some paper towels and just put it right in there. And what that does is it'll help soak up a lot of that fatty juice and get rid of that. Alright guys, there you go. Like I said, it was 73-27, so it's going to be a little bit more fat in there. So you're going to have to do it multiple times to get it down to where it's at right now. Right now, that's about maybe 1.5 tablespoons, which is just perfect. Now, as you all know, I love my garlic. So, I got a tablespoon here, and I got some fresh minced garlic. One nice big old heaping tablespoon of garlic. I have some oregano. Just sprinkle that oregano around there. And a little bit of smoked paprika. Give a little bit of smokiness to it. A little bit of parsley. Get that mixed around. You see all the little bits of garlic in there? I love that. Man, every spoonful you get, you're going to get a little bit of garlic with it. Got 2 cans of pre-diced tomatoes. 1 can of fresh cut sliced carrots. 1 pound of coarsely chopped broccoli, frozen. What we're going to do is we're going to let all that get together. We're going to put a lid on it. Okay, this has been cooking for about 10 or 15 minutes, not too long. I just wanted to heat the vegetables up in here. Still got a little bit to go. But go ahead and get the final ingredients in there. And this is a 32-ounce container of light cream. Give that mixing through a little bit. You need some sour cream. And we're going to do about, let's say, 1/2 cup. I love sour cream. A little bit more don't hurt. That's going to help thicken it up. That's what makes mine different. Go ahead and mix that through. Now guys, if you don't think there's enough if you don't think there's enough fluid in there, grab yourself a little thing of beef stock and just put it in there. I'm going to start out with about a 1/4 cup of beef stock. Now this is going to cook for about an hour on a very low simmer. 2 cups of cheddar cheese.
You can add more.
I know I can add more. I think 2 cups is enough. All right, combine that in. Let this for another 5 more minutes. Let that cheese melt in. And I'll be coming back for more every single day. All right, guys, do me a favor, like, subscribe, share this with your friends. Until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats. I love you all.